Hi guys, so today we are going to make some cantaritos. I know we've seen several videos of people making them. The video that I saw was Leslie's, but I know Pete has seen quite a bit.
Yeah, well, the one that I saw the most was the I Love Sarai. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt to do our own version.
Recreate them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna follow you and let's see, how do we get started?
Okay, well let's first start off with a shot tequila, of course. And we're gonna be using the Jose Cuervo Tradicional Limited Production, 100% de agave. So we can loosen up and not be so nervous in the video. Okay. One shot and then glug 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 glug. That's for you. That's it. Comment down below if you guys do that to your lemons or limes, like roll them. I don't know if it's like a Mexican thing or what, but you just have to roll them to get them all juicy and, you know, whatnot. Okay. Cheers. Oh. Whew.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that was it.
So the ingredients from what I know is toronjas, which is grapefruits, it's limes, grapefruits, and oranges. And mind you, everything's already been washed, pre-washed before the video. Before we actually get started with everything, I do want to make a comment. So we got this for our wedding, and it's been 2 years, almost 2 years since the wedding, and we have no idea who got this for us.
It was just in a gift bag, no card, no name tag. We stayed with the
doubt of who was it. So we've been very curious for the past 2 years. We haven't used it. This will be our very first time using it.
It's a happy tag on it. Like I already watched it and everything.
And if this was you who got
down
this
below, let us know.
For our wedding, yeah. Comment down below because we are very curious to see who it was. Today we are using it for
our picture.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. How many limes is it?
Well, I guess it's just whatever your preference is, but at the moment we have 4 limes, which we have more of. So you want to go ahead and roll them? Or
yeah.
And then wiki wiki wiki. Burst. Okay,
you cut and I squeeze.
Oh yeah, so it's gonna be the limes, the oranges, the grapefruit, and then the tequila, of course, of your preference. Since we have this one, that's what you're gonna use. We have ice in the freezer at the moment, and then all the little settings, like the side stuff. We have a margarita classic salt for the rimming, or you can use Himalayan salt, of which you have as well. We have the Tajin. We have another Tajin, which is like a little bit stronger, low sodium. We have a chamoy fruta thing. And then we have another chilito Funkito rico candy powder, sweet and sour, polvito.
It's candy, yeah, it's candy powder.
It's like just, but sweet. Yeah. Okay. And then, go ahead and start cutting the grapefruit. I think we're gonna do these in what? 4ths?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're too big.
Yeah, too big.
Well, I think I'll squeeze those without this because it won't
fit. Yeah. Dude. It's not good. gonna go ahead and do, because I saw that they did that in some of the videos, the ones that are already, the limes, grapefruits, oranges that are already sliced and squeezed in there, you just kind of go ahead and cut them and you want to drop them in there just to give it a little bit more flavor. So we have a total of, those were a total of 4 grapefruits, and pretty much we put all the slices in there. And then right now we have 5 oranges. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, squeeze, and I think we should just leave them all in there, right? All the things. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drop all the squeezed slices in there. It's so good. Shout out to my mom because she helped me pick the oranges and grapefruits the other day. Andamos chismeando leche.
Are we doing all the oranges in here?
Yeah. Oh, we forgot to squeeze these. So we have 2 valley lemons.
They're valley limes.
Valley limes. Lemons, whatever, limes. That we don't want to go to waste, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut those and squeeze them, but we're not gonna drop them in the Cantarito.
2,000 years later.
You wanna do another shot?
Sure. Can we do it chilled though?
And then you can put the little glue, 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 glue.
Oh, that's it.
Yep. And I want to put like probably half of it of ice so that way it's super, super cold.
So we're gonna put
The Squirt.
a whole bottle of Squirt. This is 2 liters.
Yeah.
So you'll know that.
But then again, you have to take into account all the stuff that's in there.
Well, that's why I'm saying like this thing is not 2 liters. Might be 3, even 3 gallons big. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Ta-da! So there's like a rule. I guess whatever you think is good for the tequila. I'm gonna start off with a little bit and then just go from there.
That's enough.
That was like a cup of it. Ooh, it smells.
It doesn't smell bad, but I can smell it strong.
So then you're gonna go ahead and add some salt to it. We're gonna go ahead and add the Himalayan salt. Can be any kind of salt you have, I guess, at this point. Oh wait, don't use that.
It's the same.
I know, but that one's wet.
Oh my. Okay.
Another. Tell me when.
Then when?
Tell me when. After I already poured it all in there. So I guess just atinarle how much you want to put of salt in it.
That's it. That's enough.
That's it. Says add a pinch.
2 for you, 3 for me.
2 for you, 3 for me. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Is that?
Yeah.
Strong? Or
No, it's good. So
wait. Should we take? Oh no, we'll take a shot of tequila with the jarrito.
with the jarrito, yeah.
Cool.
So we found these downtown from where we live.
Downtown McAllen.
I wanted to get, I got one of these, and my husband decided he wanted to get a smaller one, but now he wants one of these.
I can admit that I was wrong.
I definitely think this is a good choice because it kind of goes with the one that we got for our wedding. So
I'm gonna
that's
want to
pretty
go
cool.
back and get the other one.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're already done making the mixture, and we're gonna take our little Cantaritos, and I went ahead and used the cover to the Tajin mix.
It's that way. Turn it around.
The Tajin little container, so I took the little top off, and it's meant for you to pour whatever lime or dressing on there. I already went ahead and poured the little chamoy on there. You're gonna go ahead and just take your jarrito or whatever cup you want to use it to dip in there. You want to be generous, get a good amount, and then And you're gonna want to go ahead and dip it in the Tajin mixture or salt or whatever you're gonna want to use to rim your cup if you choose to.
I'm gonna pour some around mine like this since it won't go all the way.
Yeah, it's not deep enough.
It won't go all the way past the rim. So I'm gonna do that.
You're gonna want to add a little bit of ice to your cup, even though we're gonna get some ice when we pour from the mixture.
So as I'm pouring mine, I'm gonna try to put in at least 1 or 2 oranges or grapefruits to kind of leave the drink infused with
the peel.
Yeah.
Since my cup is a little bit smaller, I'm gonna pour more drink and then I'll just like top it off with a little peel or so. There's a lemon. There we go. And you wanna show it on this one?
Yeah. Okay. Right there.
Okay. And cheers.
Whoa.
Ah.
That's actually really good.
It's good.
It is really good.
It's like perfect.
So, I really hope we finish this. I'm gonna show exactly how much was made. But oh my god, okay, this thing is huge. And we made
The whole, it was like all the way to
literally
the-
it was
right here.
all the way to up here. So definitely enough for a party of 10.
Yeah, I think 10, 8, or like 6 if you really want to share it. Like if everybody wants to get enough drink.
Yeah.
I think with this, if you have fire, you could give 2 good sized cups. Not these Cantaritos, because they're kind of like limited.
Yeah.
But regular cups, you could probably give like every 2 to 3 cups if you have like 6 people.
Yeah, well, these would be good.
Yeah, these are cute for.
This is for sure. But thank you guys for watching. And oh, I'm gonna remind again, whoever gave us this for our wedding and you are watching this, please comment below, send us a message. And yeah, let us know because we have no idea who it was. And we love it. We love it a lot. If there's any other drinks that you guys might want us to try, I'm not an expert because I don't drink. He's really good at making drinks. Let us know and we can try to make a video on that. Also, comment down below what your favorite drink is, and maybe we can try them because there's a lot of them that I haven't tried and I would really want to.
And don't forget to subscribe to his channel, like the videos.
Yeah, please follow, like, and subscribe to the channel. If you don't like it, don't put a thumbs down. But if you like it, put a thumbs up. And we will talk to you guys really soon.